In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books in QuickBooks Online. This process is critical for keeping your financial records secure and ensuring that your accounting data remains accurate. It's especially useful at the end of an accounting period when you need to lock your financials and prevent any unauthorized changes to closed periods. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. This is the first step in accessing your QuickBooks account, where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures that you are accessing the correct platform and that all features relevant to your needs are available. Next, go ahead and type in your credentials. These include your username and password. After entering the necessary details, click on Continue. This step is important to keep your data secure and private, so remember to use strong passwords and keep them confidential. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings area. Typically, you'll find this option by clicking on the gear icon located at the top of your page. Settings in QuickBooks is the central hub where you can manage all your account related options and preferences. Then you want to click on Account and Settings. This section lets you view and edit your company's information, such as your business name, contact information, and other vital details related to your account settings. It's important to keep this information up to date so everything reflects your company's current status. Within Account and Settings, proceed to click on the Advanced tab. The advanced settings are where you'll find various options that affect the core operations of your QuickBooks, including how you handle transactions and other nuanced financial details. Look for the Accounting section and click on it. This is where you can configure accounting specific settings like your fiscal year, tax form preferences, and importantly the option to close your books. Now it's time to turn on Close the Books. Enabling this feature ensures that once an accounting period is closed, no alterations can be made to the past transactions without an appropriate authorization code. This safeguards your historical data and prevents any accidental or unauthorized modifications. After turning on the Close the Books option, you need to set a closing date. This date signifies the end of an accounting period. Carefully choose this date based on your company's fiscal period. And when you want to stop allowing changes, it's vital to align this with your end of year or period end procedures. Finally, once you've set the closing date, simply click on Save and Done. This confirms all your settings and locks your books for that period. You'll receive a confirmation message ensuring everything is set, thus securing your financial data effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully closed your books in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process helps maintain the integrity of your financial reports, giving you peace of mind while handling your business's accounting. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.